Hi folks, how you doing? This is Goods and Things. We started a promotion today for one of our items, which is this, the garlic press set. We have a set of 4 pieces here. I hope you haven't seen it yet. If you haven't seen this yet, I'm going to show you now. Let me unbox this. We have the main item, which is the garlic press itself. Fit the garlic here and smashed it. Here we have the garlic. Let's see. We have here, this is the first one we're going to use. Actually, this one. This is the garlic. You see, has a row in here. Is to unpeel the garlic, just like that. Okay. We have the garlic press, as I showed before, and we have the little brush. This brush is to just get the garlic out of this space right here. Okay, because the garlic sticks to the wall, so we use this to get it out easily. And you have the vegetable peeler, all in stainless steel. It's a great set. We sell it for only $19.95 during this promotion. $19.95 including shipping. We ship to all 50 lowest states in the country. Okay, and you don't pay for shipping. And if you buy this from us between today, April 28th, and Mother's Day, we're gonna give you a gift. We're gonna send you an extra item for you, which is the scissors. This scissors, kitchen scissors, is totally free. You're not paying for it, and you're going to pay only $19.95, as I said, including shipping. So we have five items here. The garlic press set with the brush and this kitchen scissors for $19.95. So below this video, we're gonna put a link for you to buy the item. Okay, you can pay and put in the cart, and we send it to you anywhere in the country. So I hope you enjoy it. It's a great set, and that's it. I'm gonna close it up here, and I hope you purchase from us. Okay, have a great week, and you stay safe, you stay home. Oh, by the way, I want to give you something else. Okay, I want to give you a cookbook. Would you like a cookbook? We have a great cookbook, my friends, and after you purchase this, you also can get a cookbook, which the link will be right there as well. Once you have purchased the item, you can ask for the cookbook. I'll send you the cookbook in PDF. I'll send it to your email. So give us your email. All right. Once you give us the email, I'll send you the cookbook free as well, and I'll send the cookbook in PDF as it goes into your email. So you have a little great deal here, my friends. It's a set of garlic press plus the kitchen scissors for free and the cookbook for free. Do you think it's a good deal? I'll wait for you inside. Okay? Thank you. Enjoy the rest of the week and stay safe. Stay home. Cook with a cookbook. Enjoy it.